Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to share some very important news for all the international students who are planning to study in Russia. The Open Door Scholarship is going to open from 1st of September, and if you are interested in pursuing your higher education in Russia, then this is the one of the biggest opportunities you can get to study in Russia for free. As someone who has personally gone through this process and has experience as an open door scholarship awardee, I want to guide you step by step so that you have a clear understanding of what to expect and how to prepare. The link of this official website is provided in the description. You can check it out below. Now let's start with the registration. From the 1st of September, the official portal of Open Door Scholarship will be open. You can see the timeline here. The complete timeline of this scholarship is provided here. You can check it out. And this is where you need to create your account, fill your personal information, and upload all the required documents. It's very important to check your documents carefully before uploading because incomplete or incorrect submission can cause problems later in the process. Now, speaking of documents, the most important one, you will need your passport, your educational certificates such as high school or university diplomas, transcript of records, or any academic or professional achievements that can support your application. And if you have language certificate, publications, or other achievements, you should also include them. Make sure everything is scanned clearly and uploaded in PDF format, as this is preferred format on this portal. You can also apply on your national identity card without your passport. So you must have to check the rules on this official website. Maybe this year some rules will be different, but as per last year you can apply on your national identity card. I will make detailed videos on how to apply and I'll cover each step. I'll give you some tips and tricks to win this scholarship, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update about this scholarship. The timeline for this scholarship is pretty big. You can check on the official website from 1st of September to the 16th of November, probably 2.5 months. This is a bunch of time. You have to prepare your documents, certificates, all of the documents you need to apply. So make sure to prepare your documents and apply for this huge opportunity. The Open Doors Olympiad is conducted in two main stages. Stage 1 is all about submitting your portfolio. This includes your academic achievements, certificates, awards, and any additional documents that showcase your academic background and skills. Once you submit your portfolio, the committee will evaluate it and assign you a score. If your score is high enough, you will get shortlisted for the stage 2. Stage 2 is an exam, which is usually an online test in your chosen subject area. This test is designed to assess your knowledge and understanding of your field you want to study in. It's important to prepare for this test carefully by reviewing your subject basics and practicing problem solving skills because this test will be more challenging than the first one. The better you perform in the exam, the higher your chances of winning this scholarship. Now let's talk about the benefits of this scholarship. The Open Door Scholarship is fully funded, which means if you win this scholarship, your tuition fees are completely covered. On the top of that, you will get a chance to study in some of the best universities in Russia without paying for your education. Depending on your university and program, you may also get some additional benefits like monthly stipend or discounted accommodation. For many students, this scholarship opened the doors not only to education but also to a valuable international exposure and career opportunities. The Olympiad cover a wide range of subjects. These include fields like computer science, engineering, biology, medicine, economics, business, political science, international business, and many more. Whether you are from science background, a business background, or even a social sciences, you will find a subject that matches your interest. It is worth checking the official websites to see the full list of subjects available for this year. As a someone who has been gone through this journey myself, I can tell you that the preparation is the key. Make sure your documents are ready, keep an eye on the deadlines, and give your best in both stages. The Open Door scholarship can be life changing, and with the right effort, you can secure your place at the one of the top Russia's universities. So, if you're planning to study, get ready because registration will start on September 1st. Don't miss this opportunity. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I will continue to share more tips, guidance, and updates about studying in Russia and about this scholarship. So, see you next time.